Using Lentune makes me feel a lot more confident running a job, keeping on track with its budgets, purchase orders and everything involved that Lentune can do. Really helps you out on your day-to-day tasks. I'm Hayden and I work at Fitout Glass as a project manager. My role at Fitout Glass is to manage a project from start to finish, gathering all the information from the estimators about the job, confirming that information with the client, running the costs and the time of a project. Working at Fitout Glass compared to other companies I've worked at, it's a much larger company and they have a lot of cool systems in place where you can see the productivity is a lot better. Could be running anywhere from 10 to 15 jobs at a time. Before Lentune, you were sort of having more of an educated guess on where a budget was or how much to claim for that month. If you wanted to track the costing or the budget of a job, you'd have to go through all the paperwork, all previous POs and start adding them up manually to know where you're at on the job. With Lentune, it pretty much tells you right there how much you've spent, how much is left in the cost code. It just saves a lot of time in general. Everything to do with keeping on cost, claiming at the end of the month, it saves time in every aspect of the job. You can track numerous jobs at the same time, easily clicking between each job, and you can have all your various cost codes lined up within the cost codes tab where you can track each budget for the job, see how much you've spent, see what's left, see what's committed, see if you're on top of your claims for that month. It can show you if you're going to be underneath your claim, if you need to claim more for that month. Tracking the budget of a job seemed almost impossible before without having to dive in for half a day to pull out all the information from your folder. Now it's there on the screen. I'm not a computer whiz and I find it extremely easy to pick up. The communication between the factory and PMs has improved with purchase orders and deliveries coming to the factory. They can upload their delivery dockets straight onto Lentune, and so now we all know straight away with the live updates that something's arrived in the factory and it's ready for us to take out to install. I think Lentune helps with our budget margins extremely well, saving costs a lot more than we were previously because we're able to track and monitor our costs.